Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best shower chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Platinum Health Carousel Sliding Shower Chair Tub Transfer Bench. The manufacturer of Carousel Sliding Transfer Bench has done its best to provide you or your loved ones with the maximum comfort when showering. Unlike its rivals, which usually possess sliding seats, this model features the seat that can not only slide, but swivel as well. This outstanding characteristic adds to the chair's usability and flexibility of a user. The design of the chair has been created taking into account customers with bad eyesight too, and so it's bright blue and spotlighting any interior. You won't ever miss or slip off it. One more feature that provides maximum safety and comfort while use is a safety belt. To provide safe and trouble-free entering and leaving a bathtub or a shower cabinet, Bath Step by Vive will be of great use. Moving on, at number 4 we have the AdirMed Ultra Quiet Automatic Bath Lift Chair. Since taking a shower can be a real challenge for people after surgery or the disabled, the engineers of AdirMed have put maximum efforts to produce a comfy shower chair. The first feature to take into account while considering this model is its adjustable height. At first sight, it might seem that this feature doesn't differ this chair from its opponents. However, note that height range is pretty extensive. It can be varied from 2.3 to 18.8. Another outstanding characteristic of this model is its backrest that can be reclined 50 degrees back. Undoubtedly, it will provide better comfort for a user. But that's not all. The thing is that to change the height and backrest position, you don't need to do it manually. The manufacturer has equipped this chair with a modern solution: waterproof hand control, using which isn't a problem at all. If you have troubles moving on your own or you need to take care of your senior or disabled relatives, a wheelchair will come in handy. At number 3, we have the DMI Tub Transfer Bench and Shower Chair. With regard to the number of people who need special care and support in doing such routine things as taking a shower, AdirMed Company has invented a shower bench to simplify their lives. You'll appreciate its usability from the moment of assembly and through the everyday use. Tool-free assembly offers you an opportunity to use the chair soon after you bring it home. The aluminum frame provides the model's durability and adds to the easiness of carrying it around your flat/house. Pay attention to the chair's design too. Cutout seat makes the process of showering more comfortable by giving a user a chance to reach out for the remote parts of his/her body. One more outstanding feature of this model is that it can withstand the maximum load of up to 400 pounds. For those who want to take a shower soon after a surgery, and there is still a catheter or fresh scars on bodies, Shower Shield will be of great use. At number 2, we have the HEALTHLINE Tub Transfer Bench. If you need a shower chair but don't want or can't spend much money on it, why not consider HEALTHLINE Trading Shower Bench? Being much cheaper than its rivals, the product from this manufacturer offers the same functionality, facilitating the process of taking a shower or bath for those who can't do that without assistance. The seat is equipped with drain holes to lead the used water away from it, keeping the floor dry and clean from splattering. This also ensures safety of use. For users, comfort. The seat comes packed with a handle that can be attached to either left or right side of the bench. All that make us say with confidence that HEALTHLINE Shower Bench can become a great solution to many situations when independence isn't possible. For consumers who've got conventional baths, we'd recommend getting a shower curtain that can prevent water from splattering around and wetting your flooring. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nova Medical Products Shower and Bath Chair. If the size of your bathtub, shower cabinet, or bathroom doesn't allow you to use large shower chairs/benches, Nova Medical Products Bath Seat will become a perfect option. The manufacturer has done its best to equip this model with all necessary functions and features and facilitate showering a lot. The first thing that would definitely catch your eye is the design of the bench. Made of rust-proof aluminum, it is lightweight and can be easily disassembled, so you can transport it in a car truck and use wherever needed. However, in spite of such a simple construction, Nova Medical Products' bath seat can withstand a rather big load of about 275 pounds. Here the legs are coated in rubber to ensure a stable position of the chair on a tiled surface, so a user can feel totally safe when sitting on it even if the floor is all slippery. Unfortunately, providing assistance to help your relative take a shower isn't the only thing you may need to do. A lot of people with disabilities may also need support when using a toilet. If this is the case, consider getting a toilet safety frame. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.